I love gikilig-kilig ako guys. Ang gilok-gilok. Ang gilok-gilok na aking lover. What?
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning! Good morning guys! Bakit pag morning, we always like, good morning! Good morning! Nakahimuta na. Nanghimuta na manuunoy, nag-atubang sa camera, nabuing. I still don't put the regular curtains because I want Tommy to put the curtain rod. Because he doesn't do it yet, so that means I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm not gonna put it. I thank you, Lord. All the snow are gone. All the snow are gone. Oh, this is the card that Tommy gave me. Okay, I'll read it to you. Every time Tommy give me a card, I rather receive a card from him than any flowers and stuff. Well, I like roses, but I prefer receiving cards from him because he really take time to get a card. When he give me a card, he take time to pick the good one. That's what he is really meant to, like, you know, he want to say to me. You deserve to hear this more often, but I didn't always take the time to say it. I depend on you so many times for help and understanding. I'm glad that you're my wife, the love of my life, and the heart of our home. And I'll always love you very much. Happy Valentine's Day, love, Tommy. Ow, 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 tino, tino. Yeah, that's why I love when he pick a card. He takes time. I notice every time I go with him and then he pick a card, I'm not looking, but I just keep paying attention. Takes forever. He do card to card to card, and he really take what is, you know, what he want to say to me, but he want the card to say to my wife with love. Yeah. Egg, are you still good, egg? Oh, my egg is still good. I'm thinking, guys, I was like blacked out thinking when I'm gonna go home. I'm not sure. My sister-in-law asked me, no, I wanna be in there that I can start. No, there's too many packing, guys. I get too tired of packing. There's a reason why I don't pack anymore. No, so that's why. And I'm gonna have my coffee. So I'm just gonna eat my breakfast. Anyway, guys, good morning. Today is Monday, President Day. Happy President Day. There's a lot of sale, guys, every holiday. Especially there's gonna be like a lot on sale on the store, furniture, anything. It's nice to go to. It's nice to go shopping, but I can't go shopping. I have priority first before shopping. Okay, sinong gustong maligo with me? Oh my God. Maraming nag-hands up dyan, no? Legs up! Anyway, I'm just going to take this. This thing is almost higher than me. I can make it so taller. And I'm going to take this off because I'm gonna get the SIM. Because the SIM is, I need to use the SIM because I have to, because I have to. No, because I have to transfer the clips to my laptop and then edit the video. I don't know. I'm debating, guys, if I'm going back today or tomorrow. I don't know. I wear this one because I just feel like wearing it. It's tickles sometimes in my neck, but who cares? I am editing the video of the collaboration of me and Miles. The close eye makeup challenge, and it's two videos together, so I put it all together on top, and the top one is the smaller video here. You guys can see that. So this is the one, the close eyes makeup challenge, and yeah, so that's how I edit it. And yappy. Hi, it is 10:04 in the morning already, guys, and I still can't decide when I'm going back to the other house, because I still have things to do here, like film. I have to do stuff here. Hi guys, Tommy just called, and every time, guys, I love gikilig-kilig ako, guys, every time I talk to Tommy. And then if I said, "Han, do you love me, right? And then he said, yes, hon. And then before I said, bye, hon. I said, no, give me a kiss. And then he will do like this. He's so loud. And this big kilig to the moxie. Anyway, guys, yun lang. Kinikilig lang ako. Every time he do that on the phone, like I hear he kissed me on the phone. I kind of like, oh, so weird. And then kilig at the moment, kilig at the same time. Because what if somebody see him like this in the phone? You know, it's crazy, shocking. But anyway, it's always killing time. I always like tasting on him. I always like ask him to kiss me in like before hanging up. And then sometimes he don't wanna do it because there's a lot of people. I understand that, but sometimes he just do it secretly. Ay, but kilig talaga ako, guys, every time. We are family. Every. Guys, I'm eating pomelo. Si pomelo. I'm eating pomelo. I was thinking, why the heck I'm not eating pomelo? I bring it here and then I wanted it. But I eat only like one of this. Ang gilok-gilok. Ang gilok-gilok na aking lobor. What? Bakit ang lubot-gilok? May kigwa ba yun? Ay, yung ay, magkakain muna ako, guys, bago maghiskot ng kigwa ko. Okay, I have to eat before I'm going to talk really bad. Something bad. I'm gonna have rice. And ito, guys, the alamang, and a little bit of broccoli rub. I told my baby I'm gonna leave something for him, so I'm not gonna eat it all. And then I'm probably going home tomorrow because I'm going to film today or Thursday. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Tommy. I don't want him to get mad or because he just keeps saying guess what he does is just like I told him, what do you want, Han? Do you want me to what do you prepare? What do you prefer? Prepare. What do you prefer? What do you prefer? Prepare? I know. Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Yun na lang. Gusto mong andun ako? Do you want me to be there to, you know, to be with you? To be, you know, to be with ya? I know he want me to be there, but he won't see it because he's afraid if I might see that in the future, like, oh, you want me to be there? No. So, yun. I know he want me to be there, but he just said, you know what he told me? He said, it's up to you. What do you want? What do you feel like that? I'm going to ask him again later. Kakain na naman ako nito. I'm gonna let him something before I finish this, guys. Very little. And then the rice. So, kakain ako nito. Hindi ako naglagay ng barabagul. Anyway, I'm gonna make more rice probably later. Bakit nag-blurry? Nag-blur itong one. Focus naman sa akin. Ay, ikaw bang kamera ha? If you are watching, Beth, there is a thing over here, information, but yeah, this is the only thing that I put in my refrigerator is the gas delivery number and this one you gave me. Thank you, Beth. I love it. I never really, you know, ignore it. I love it. I bring it here and I told Tommy, I don't want any picture in my refrigerator. You know, like too much. Some people do that, like a recipe or a bill, something like that. But no, I want to put that in the office, and I want my refrigerator to be clean, not too much going on. So I said, this is the only one I want here. This is the only one I want here, and the telephone number of the delivery. Hi guys, insert shout out to Anastasia Parsons. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Bingjili or Bingli Kauba. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Bingjili Kauba. Bingjili or Bingli or Bingli Kauba. And also shout out to Juniville Lupicelio from Cagayan de Oro. Cagayan de Oro. Oh my God. I have a friend from Cagayan de Oro. Si Remy, yung kaibigan ko na pinuntahan ko na paminsan-minsan. Taga Cagayan yun. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Shout out to Anastasia Parsons. Initin ko lang to sandali. Tommy called me and he says, Han, watch the Man of Steel. So I did. And I didn't, even though I watched it already. So I watched it again. Ang init-init naman ito. Dito guys. Ito kasi yung paborito ko. Bahala na walang ano. Mayroong salmon dyan pero sabi ko, ito na lang ang kakainin ko. Alamang sobrang sarap at mabango. Yun lang naman. It is 1:05 already. I just done editing with the video that MaryAnn A collaboration. I really wanna go home tonight. I wanna travel like early in the morning like what I did the last time. Because it's no traffic at that time. Tignan natin. I was just cooking rice and tignan natin kung luto na ba itets. Okay, kailangan pa ng time. I'm just gonna take this off guys because it's itching my neck.
She's learned to read and you know, she's making friends, participates well in all activities.
I was talking and I thought I was filming. Anyway, binabalik-balik ko lang tong mga jacket, mga ano, sweater na to, mga jacket. Parang yung hinihingal ako guys na iwan ko. So, susuotin ko lang to kasi yung isa, yung sinuot ko kanina, it was really itching my chin and it's irritating me and I kinda really lonely over here. I want my kids and my baby. I probably drive tonight. So I'm gonna go to the basement because we have a ton of, remember Christmas, we have a ton of cake. People bring cakes here, so we have a pile of cakes. So I put it in the refrigerator and I'm gonna put it in the bag. I'm gonna put it in the bag that it's not gonna pile up over there. It's bad already. It's been like Christmas. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna prepare that thing and I probably drive later. Because I'm missing my baby. I miss my kids. I miss my husband. I like to be here to film, but anyway guys, I will see you later. Whatever I decide, I will see you later. You can see it, okay? Bye. Hi guys, I'm just having a dinner. Rice, broccoli rub, and then salmon. So yeah, I'm gonna have that and then I'm watching the news. I don't really want to eat, but because I feel like bloated, but I'm lying down here watching the news, I kind of like, why my stomach is bloated? I need to do something, and then it's like kind of hungry at bloat at it's hard to explain, so I have to decide to eat before later, like it's too late already, and I decide to go home. Mahirap pala ano mag-makeup ng walang mata. Sobrang hirap. So ito yung mukha ko guys, sa mukhang katawan.